Hi, Chris. This is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video that's going to go over 3 key aspects for how to rank better and get better leads to your website, as well as go over your online presence with you and just discuss the possibilities there, okay? So to start, I will say that we have a background in digital marketing. With that knowledge, I can tell you that Google looks at 3 separate aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Those are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with content. When I say content, I mean anywhere actual text shows up on your website. So like this information right here. You've got a little bit on your home page, but not a lot. So I'm going to give you an example and tell you why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search for any specific topic, Wikipedia is always your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. So in knowing that, I'm going to show you your competition in the area. This is D&G Carpet Cleaning. And although they don't have a very nice site, they do have a lot of content, as you see, which is why they're ranking in the #1 position in your area for New Orleans carpet cleaning. So knowing that, I'm going to suggest you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content to beat the competition, okay? This is going to allow you to be seen by Google, as well as on every additional service page that you offer. Typically we recommend like carpet be on one page, upholstery be on another page, and so forth. We ask that for 2 reasons. One, it's adding a lot of content to your website, right? For every new page, we add between 750 to 1,000 words of content, as well as getting to rank for specific keywords to those services. That's going to allow people who are specifically typing in very keyword specific searches to be able to find you easier. Again, your competition has been doing that already. You can see that their pages are full of content. So getting either as much or more content than your competition is going to rank you higher than them based on content alone. I'm going to take you real quick to Ahrefs, and this just gives me an overall breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, you're only getting about 1 person clicking on your website every month. Part of that is from the keywords that you're ranking for. Even for your own business name, Obriens, you're at number 13, so you're on page 2 for your own business. So knowing this, I bet you are ranking for all the appropriate keywords. You're just way down the list. So then getting a lot of influence to your site, as well as appropriately placing more keywords, is going to help this number come up and help you get seen by more people. Next, I'm going to drive your attention to these 2 numbers here, okay? This first number here, the UR, is directly related to citations. And a citation, if you direct your attention to this Google map, a citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So from the get-go, these top 3 are going to get the most business based on visibility alone. So that's what every business owner wants, right? We want our business and our information to be exposed and in front of as many people as we can. So how do we get to the top of this list, right? Well, that's going to be through adding citations, and by adding a lot of them. There is no penalty for adding multiple citations. I do have the ability to see how many your competition has, to know how many you would need to beat them to secure a top position here, which we can totally talk about if it's something you're interested in exploring further. But by getting citations, you're going to drive this UR number up, making it easier for people to find you. Next, we're going to talk about this DR number. This DR is directly related to backlinks and the referring domains. However, not all backlinks are created equal, and I'll tell you why. In case you don't know, a backlink is anywhere that your business's website is linkable and clickable on another business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting our backlink available on a high traffic website is going to throw a lot of influence back to our site. And the more influence we have pointing back to us, that's where this DR number starts to rise. Again, super imperative to get seen by people. As well as for those 18 domains that you have currently listed with your website on it, only 4 of them are actually giving you what we call a do follow link, meaning it's actually clickable in a direct link. The other referring domains have your link, but it's like a dead link, like it's not clickable or accessible. It still counts as a backlink, which is good, but it's not giving you any influence pointing back to your site. So that's something we need to work on too, is just getting high quality referring domains to host our backlinks. Lastly, I wanted to show you your competition's overview as well to show you that they're getting significantly more traffic and their numbers are higher as well. So the potential to get there is obviously reachable, right? Getting yourself to rank for more quality keywords, getting more referring domains, getting better quality backlinks, and getting more citations, and you would be able to probably transfer a lot of this organic traffic to your site and get more customers as well. Well, Chris, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for your time. If it's not too much trouble, send me a quick email. Tell me what you thought about this video, and if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you too. But have a good rest of your day, and I'll be in touch. Bye-bye.